Hello, humble people. My name is Rosmery Then, your South Florida real estate agent with eXp Realty. Today, I'm giving you a tour of a hidden gem right here in Plantation, Florida, perfect for first-time buyers, families, and investors looking for serious ROI. Get ready to fall in love with this location and the lifestyle it offers. Let's jump right into the tour.
Welcome to Fort Lauderdale, known as the yachting capital of the world and nicknamed the Venice of America. This vibrant city is a dream destination for luxury living, international travel, and waterfront beauty. With over 300 miles of inland waterways, world-class marinas, and a booming tech and business hub, Fort Lauderdale is more than a location, it's a lifestyle. And guess what? You're only 5 minutes from Fort Lauderdale International Airport. Just 10 minutes to I-95, 5 minutes to 595, and 14 minutes